Well, I'm here with Wolfman Jack.
Dude, got any duct
I gotta
tape?
tell you one thing. Promise me this. Now, you're not gonna send out a mass text to some girl saying I just got shot and get your dad arrested and come over here with cops now, are we?
No, I don't use phones anymore.
Just making sure.
Wait, are you just shaving up in a V, dude?
Bro, this ain't victory. Shave all that shit.
Shave it all off, dude. You don't need to walk around like a fucking Wookiee.
Oh, no!
Oh, that's a terrible.
Hey, make a bullseye.
No, dude, I'm keeping this. It's me now.
No, dude,
Get rid of it. Get rid of it. All of
It
it.
look like a bad tan line,
So?
but it's hair. Oh my god.
Hey, and we
Not
got
that
any
way,
duct
dude.
tape? Look at that shit. Cool.
Not that way, dude. There's
Wait,
some
dude.
big ass fucking propane tanks and shit over there, dude. We don't need that shit.
Keep shooting me some video. Hey, Dane, go stand by the propane tank. They shit quick.
No.
Maybe
Dude,
the beer
stop.
too.
I'm practicing. Yeah, on their house? Yeah, someone lives in a shitty shack.
Hey, Jake.
Man down.
Hey, where's the duct tape?
We don't have any.
Any type of tape at all.
Oh, no, tape. No, dude, I'm keeping this. Fuck it.
You got any Nair? Or the spray on shit?
Let's burn it.
I'm keeping it.
Burn
You guys.
No.
Fuck you guys, dude. I'm keeping it.
little
Hey,
ass.
you're not.
I am
You're not.
Wolfman. I am staying
He
Wolfman.
kind of looks like
I'll
Jesus.
show you, Wolfman.
Hey.
Wolfman.
Hey, Dane. Dane, right here in the center.
No.
Do that.
The scene you had just seen was the beginning to the fight, which was between Heath and Dane. Now, the scene you're going to see now is the opening scene to Firing Squad, which we had to cut due to time because it was way too long. So I want you to enjoy that scene.
Mr. Wolfman.
Just do it.
Remember, do not aim for the nipples.
Okay, those were some great cut or extended scenes that we've had in the past. Now, in human life, we all tend to fuck up. Now, here's the fucked up version of Sleazy Jack's crack dens, because we all fucked up on our line and we had to redo this. Enjoy the scene.
This is Sleazy Jack, and I want you to watch this video. Are you a crackhead looking for a den to do your crack in? Well, come to Sleazy Jack's, we can help you. Our places even come with your headed friends. They'll never betray you.
Wow. I can really get used to. Yeah. It's definitely.
It's a flaming deal.
So, you want to buy a house?
Why are you selling my... Hey! Borrow from me last week?
Who the fuck do you think you are? I'm commercial.
Give me back my rock! I want my rock!
So, what do you say? You want to buy a house?
Much like to buy a house, very much so.
All right, celebrate!
Hey man, that ain't no rock.
Shut the fuck up, you piece of shit.
Can I celebrate with you so you didn't kill me very well? Wow.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm gonna play till I get to the last life. Rock. It's going to be amazing.
You want this, man?
You got crack?
So, Crazy Jack's crack dens, right on the corner of McClintock and Apache.
South
Don't
Central,
keep us.
bitches.
Okay, now that commercial is a good commercial, even though we did fuck up on our lines a little bit. We were a little bit quiet. Now, this is one of my rare treats for you guys. This is Corn Dog's Rare Treats. For this scene, it didn't get into the video because Dane's a little bit fucked up when he did his stuff. So, here's a rare treat for you guys. This is it.
This is the fire jump.
great scene from Dane jumping through fire being a complete idiot. Now, this was the True Sons of Skip behind the scenes video. And that is all we have for you people today, and I want to thank you for watching. And once again, you saw it in this video already. If you have any ideas for us and you see us walking down the street, you see us at school, wherever you guys see us, give us your ideas, and we'll write them down, we'll keep them in mind, whatever. But we'll be sure they go in our video, and we'll be sure to dedicate that stunt to you. Thank you, viewers, and keep watching True Sense.
Why don't you leave me in peace? Why do you keep on thinking? What's your motivation to keep crushing?